Good day classmates, welcome back to KTNU. Ako si Kuyaton, isang totally blind at isa ring Talkback user na tulad mo. Gawa ko ng mga step-by-step video tutorials and contents na may kinalaman sa paggamit ng inyong Android phone using Talkback. Now on, aside from NVDA, gagawa na rin tayo ng mga easy to follow na mga video tutorials kung paano gumamit ng Android phone gamit ang Talkback. Pwede na kayong mag-comment ng inyong mga topic request sa paggamit ng inyong mga Android phones. And for our today's video ay babahagi ko kung paano mag-turn on ng Talkback or kung paano mag-download and install ng Talkback sa inyong Android phone. Para sa mga Android users na first time gagamit ng Talkback. At kung interesado ka sa mga ganitong video contents, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga future uploads natin. Ang Talkback ay isa sa mga available na screen reader para sa mga Android phones. Converts text to speech at nagpo-provide din ito ng mga sound and vibration feedback sa mga Android phones na ginagamit ng mga visually impaired na tulad ko. Kanina, sinabi ko na magto-turn on or magda-download and install ng Talkback. Magto-turn on ng Talkback dahil mayroon ilang mga Android phones ang pre-installed na ang Talkback application. Kung wala naman, ipapakita ko kung paano mag-download and install ng Talkback mula sa Google Play Store. After nitong tutorial, sigurado ako magagamit na ng mga visually impaired ang kanilang mga Android phone mag-isa gamit ang Talkback. So simulan natin sa pag-check ng ating mga Android phone kung meron na naka-pre-install na Talkback. Una, punta tayo sa settings.
Notification. Open settings. Settings.
From here, scroll down tayo.
A software
Hanapin
update is
natin yung
available.
accessibility.
Home. Locate. Accounts at Google. Advanced. Digital. Device care. Apps. General accessibility, voice assistant, mono audio, assistant menu.
Kita, pasok tayo dito.
Accessibility.
Usually, pagpasok dito sa accessibility, makikita natin yung Talkback application sa pinakababa. So, check natin.
Navigate up, search, more option, screen reader, visibility, hearing enhanced, interaction and advanced setting, installed services. Interaction and dexterity, in advanced settings,
Baba pa tayo.
installed services, about accessibility, navigate up, button, about accessibility.
So, makikita natin na wala naka-install na Talkback sa aking Android phone. Kung hindi nyo makita, pwede nyo namang i-check, baka nakalocate lang sa ibang location dito sa loob ng accessibility. Pero wag lang dito sa may
Installed services, Talkback and 5 services.
dito sa installed services, dito mapupunta yung mga ini-install natin ng mga application mula sa Google Play Store. At para naman sa mga naka-pre-install na yung Talkback sa kanilang phone, po muna dahil ipapakita ko kung paano naman mag-download ng Talkback mula sa Google Play Store. So ngayon ipapakita naman natin kung paano mag-download ng Talkback sa Google Play Store. So punta tayo na
One UI Home, App Screen, Lazada, Play Store,
dito sa Play Store, open natin.
Play Store,
Hanapin natin yung search edit box.
Categories, Voice Search, button, Search apps and games,
Dito i-search natin yung Android Accessibility Suite.
Edit box, Search apps and games, English, US, QWERTY keyboard shown, showing Samsung keyboard,
Natin Android.
Q, A, B, N, R, T, F, D, R, I, O, I, D, spacebar, Android,
Accessibility.
A, F, C, E, S, I, N, B, I, L, T, Y, spacebar, accessibility,
Suite.
S, U, I, 4, T, E, search button,
Then search natin.
keyboard hidden, navigate up, button, keyboard hidden,
Hanapin natin yung mismong app.
Microsoft Edge, browse, install, button, about this ad, install, Android Accessibility Suite, Google LLC,
Laki ito ng Google. Pag nakita, pasukin natin.
navigate up, button,
Try nating explore.
search Google, more option, Android, Google LLC, Android Accessibility Suite, Google LLC, uninstall, button,
Kita natin na uninstall na yung nakalagay na option dito. Ibig sabihin, naka-install na yung Android Accessibility Suite or Talkback sa aking phone. Para naman sa hindi pa naka-install ng Talkback, i-press lang ang install button at hintayin matapos ang installation process. So once ma-install, balik tayo dun sa accessibility settings.
One UI Home. More options. Settings. Accessibility. Accessibility. Home screen. Page 1 of 3. Default page.
Punta kayo ulit dun sa installed services.
Installed services. Installed services.
Hanapin natin yung Talkback.
Installed 1 tap clean. 4 stop app. Talkback. On.
Dahil sa inyo, dahil first time nyo mag-install ng Talkback, naka-off pa ang button dito. So back po muna tayo, hanapin natin yung direct access sa inyong phone.
Accessibility. Advanced settings. Manage direct access and other advanced functions.
Usually dito sa advanced settings, makikita ang direct access, pero depende pa rin sa unit ng inyong phone. Basta hanapin nyo yung direct access. Pasok tayo dito sa advanced settings.
Advanced settings.
Hanapin natin yung direct access.
Advanced settings. Direct access. Header. Heading.
Dito sa direct access, meron ditong isa o dalawang shortcut keys na pwede tayong mag-assign ng mga applications tulad ng Talkback para madali natin itong ma-turn on or turn off. So sa akin merong
side and volume up keys. Talkback.
So dito pag sabay kong pinress yung volume up tsaka yung power key, pwede ko nang i-turn on or turn off yung application na naka-assign dito, which is yung Talkback. So i-check pa natin yung isang shortcut.
Volume up and down keys. Prudent screen reader.
So dito naman sa next shortcut, yung pag-press ng volume up tsaka volume down ng sabay. So pili na lang kayo kung ano yung mas prefer yung shortcut key or direct access. So ako napili ko itong
side and volume up keys. Talkback.
So para ma-set natin sa direct access na to yung Talkback, una i-turn on muna natin itong direct access. So pasok tayo.
Side and volume up keys.
Hanapin natin yung switch, kailangan naka-on.
Side and volume on. Switch.
Kung makikita nyo, naka-on sa akin. Makikita rin natin yung mga application na pwedeng i-assign dito tulad ng Talkback. So check natin.
Open selected accessibility settings by quickly pressing the side and volume up keys at the same time. Accessibility. Off. Switch. Talkback. On. Switch. Voice assistant. Off. Switch. Universal switch. Off. Switch. Magnifier window. Off. Switch. Color inversion. Off. Switch. High contrast fonts. Off. Switch. Mute all sounds. Off. Switch. Interaction control. Turn on interaction control and interaction and dexterity first. Off. Switch.
Balik tayo sa Talkback.
Mute. High. Color. Voice assist. Talkback. On. Switch.
So kita nyo yung Talkback lang yung naka-on. Ibig sabihin, once na i-access natin itong direct access, yung Talkback lang yung mag-on. See to it na lahat ng application na yung naka-off maliban sa Talkback. So once ma-set up na itong direct access, pwede na nating i-turn on yung Talkback. So punta tayo sa installed services.
Advanced settings. Accessibility. Installed services. Talkback and 5 services.
Pasok tayo.
Installed services.
Hanapin natin yung Talkback.
Installed 1 tap 4 stop Talkback on.
So para sa mga naka-built-in yung Talkback sa kanilang phone at sa mga nag-download naman ng Talkback mula sa Google Play Store, na natin i-turn on yung Talkback. So para mas pare-pareho tayo ng na-experience sa paggamit nitong Talkback, tatry kong i-clear data itong application. Punta muna ako sa App Manager.
Accessibility. About access. Installed. Settings. General Manage. Apps.
Dito.
Apps. App.
Natin
Search.
yung
More
Android
option. Drop down.
accessibility.
1 tap click. AC grid. Air venting. Not ambience. Android accessibility suite.
Punta tayo dito.
App info.
Hanapin natin yung
Mode battery. 0. Storage. 50.
storage.
Storage.
And then yung
Cache. 1. Total. Clear data. Button.
ito sa clear
All of
data.
this application's data will be okay. Okay.
Hintayin natin.
Back off. Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback. Page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations where people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focus item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button.
So try muna natin bagalan itong speech rate.
Headings. Controls. Links. Speech rate. Headings. Speech rate.
Oops, mababa.
Speech rate. Speech rate 51%. Speech rate 38%. Speech rate 35%. Swipe up then down or swipe down then up to select a different setting.
So pagka-on nyo ng Talkback, huwag kayong mabibigla kung hindi nyo na ma-access tulad ng dati yung inyong cellphone. Ngayon ay magsasalita na kasi ito at magpo-provide ng mga sound and vibration feedback. So pag-on natin ng Talkback, magpa-pop up itong introduction at first tutorial ng Talkback, which is yung basic navigation. So sabi dito, ulitin natin.
Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button.
So sabi nga dito, ang Talkback ay makakatulong sa mga visually impaired para gamitin ang kanilang mga Android phones. At sinabi rin dito ang isang direct access na volume up tsaka volume down. At sinabi rin dito na para makapag-navigate tayo, pwede nating i-swipe yung screen pa kanan or swipe right gamit ang isang daliri. So try natin.
Next button.
Isa pa.
Close button.
Isa pa.
Double tap to activate.
Isa pa.
Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5.
So pwede rin tayong mag-swipe left. So try natin. Isa pa.
Close button.
Isa pa.
Next button.
Isa pa.
Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5.
So upon swiping, nakita natin yung next tsaka yung close button. So dito sa tutorial, pwede nyo piliin yung next button kung gusto nating ipagpatuloy itong tutorial. At close button naman para i-stop na tong tutorial. Swipe tayo, piliin natin yung next button.
Next button. Double tap to activate.
At para mapili ito, i-double tap lang natin ang screen.
Explore by touch. Previous button. Double tap to activate. Explore by touch.
Dito sa second page, yung Explore by Touch. Sabi dito,
Page 2 of 5. You can focus on an item by dragging your finger across the screen. Try this now by touching the screen and dragging towards the bottom left-hand corner until you find the next button.
So sabi dito, gamit yung tip ng isa nating daliri, i-touch natin yung screen tapos i-slide natin yung buong screen hanggang sa mahanap natin yung next button sa baba. So tatry kong i-touch itong screen gamit yung tip ng aking index finger.
Explore by touch.
Then ngayon, tatry kong i-slide dahan-dahan yung aking daliri papunta rin sa baba hanggang sa mahanap ko yung next button. Slide natin.
Page 2 of 5. You can focus on an item by dragging your finger across the screen. Try this now by touching the screen and dragging towards the bottom left. Next button. Double tap to activate.
Successful nating nahanap yung next button using Explore by Touch. From here, double tap tayo.
Scrolling. Page 3 of 5.
Page 3, scrolling. So basahin natin.
Page 3 of 5. You can scroll by swiping with 2 fingers. Try this now by swiping up with 2 fingers until you scroll to the bottom of the list items.
Sabi dito, gamit yung 2 fingers, specifically yung index tsaka yung middle finger. Scroll up or swipe up natin yung screen pataas. So try natin. So narinig nyo ba yung tone na yun? Ibig sabihin, successful nating nagawa yung scroll up. So from here, swipe right naman tayo gamit yung isang daliri. Hanapin natin yung next button.
Item 1, 1 of 8. Item 2, 2 of 8.
More.
Item 3, 3 of 8.
Swipe right.
Item 4, 4 of 8. Item 5, 5 of 8. Item 6, 6 of 8. Item 7, 7 of 8. Item 8, 8 of 8. Next button, out of list. Double tap to activate.
Pag nakita, double tap tayo.
System actions, page 4 of 5.
So sa page 4 of 5, system action. So basahin natin.
To open notifications, swipe down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers. Then you can close notifications by swiping back up with 2 fingers. Try it now.
So sabi dito, para ma-access yung notification, gamit ulit yung 2 fingers na ginamit natin kanina. Down naman tayo mula sa top or pinakataas ng screen pababa. So try natin.
Notification shade, 10:21 p.m.
Para makita yung mga items dito sa notification, pwede tayo mag-explore by touch or swipe right or swipe left. So try natin swipe right.
Casting, image. Power saving mode on. Wi-Fi signal full. Phone 1 bar, image.
Explore by touch naman.
Vidma stop. Vid notification settings button. Vidma recorder light 9:10 p.m. Stop. Vidma recorder light 9:10 p.m. Double tap and hold to long press.
So nararamdaman nyo ba yung vibration feedback every time na magpo-focus sa isang item? So para i-close naman itong notification, gamit ulit yung dalawang daliri, i-swipe up natin mula sa baba. So try natin.
System actions. To open notifications, swipe down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers. Then you can close notifications by swiping back up with 2 fingers. Try it now.
So successful nating na-access yung notification. So swipe to the right tayo, hanapin ulit natin yung next button.
Next button. Double tap to activate.
So sabi, double tap to activate, double tap tayo.
Menu and controls. Page 5 of 5.
So last page na to, menu and control. So check natin.
Talkback menu, heading. The Talkback menu includes settings and controls that you may often need. Open the Talkback menu now by swiping down then right.
So sabi dito, para ma-access yung Talkback menu, gamit yung isang finger, swipe down tayo, then right. Para tayong nag-drawing ng big letter L. So try natin.
Talkback menu. Read from next item. 1 of 8. In list. 8 items. Double tap to activate.
Pag nagawa ng successful, lalabas itong talkback menu. So try natin mag-swipe to the right, check natin yung mga items hanggang sa mahanap din natin yung cancel button. To the right tayo.
Copy last spoken phrase. Screen search. 3 of. Hide screen. 4 of 8. Voice commands. 5 of 8. Talkback settings. 6 of 8. Text to speech settings. Braille display settings. 8. Cancel. Button. Out of list. Double tap to activate.
Ma-discuss itong talkback menu, gagawin ko ito ng separate video at tabayanan lang sa ating channel. So dito sa cancel button, double tap tayo.
Menu and controls. The Talkback menu includes settings and controls that you may often need.
So swipe to the right tayo.
Reading controls. Heading. These shortcuts can help you quickly change settings, like switching your navigation from characters to words or changing Talkback speech rate. To quickly change your reading controls, swipe down and then back up. You can customize the Talkback menu and your reading controls later in Talkback settings.
So sabi dito, para ma-access yung reading control using one finger, mag-swipe down then up tayo. Try natin swipe down and up.
Headings. Swipe up or swipe down to read by headings.
So dapat continuous yung pag-swipe down and up natin. Isa pa?
Controls.
Isa pa?
Links. Speech rate. Characters. Words. Lines. Paragraphs. Headings. Swipe up or swipe down to read by headings.
So yan yung mga items sa ating reading control. Pwede rin natin ma-access yung reading control by swipe up and down. So dito naman magiging pabalik yung navigation natin papuntang previous item. So try natin swipe up and down.
Paragraphs. Lines. Words. Characters. Speech rate. Swipe up or swipe down to adjust the setting.
So successful nating na-access yung talkback menu tsaka yung reading control. From here, swipe to the right tayo, hanapin natin yung next button.
Next button. Double tap to activate.
Dito double tap tayo.
Ready. You are ready to use Talkback. Keep learning about other topics now, or review this info at any time in Talkback settings.
So sabi dito, pwede nyo pang matutunan yung iba pang mga topics na pinrovide ng Talkback. Puntaan lang yung Talkback settings at hanapin yung tutorial. At ito yung iba pang mga topics na may kita sa tutorial.
Text editing. Type, select, edit and copy. Reading navigation. Read by word or character, and jump between links. Voice commands. Control Talkback with your voice. Double practice gestures. Try different gestures to learn what they do. Double finish button. Double tap to activate.
Dito sa finish button, pwede na tayo mag-double tap.
Storage. Navigate up button. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
Ngayon, kung gusto nyo munang i-turn off yung talkback, pwede nyo nang gamitin yung direct access na sinetup natin kanina. So para ma-turn off yung talkback sa phone ko, ipepress ko lang ng sabay yung volume up tsaka power key. So try natin, volume up tsaka power key.
Talkback off.
Then para i-turn on, i-press ko lang ulit ng sabay yung volume up tsaka yung power key.
Talkback on. Storage. Navigate up button. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
At successful na nating na-turn on, na-download and install ang Talkback sa ating Android phone. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. At kung nakatulong sa inyo ang ating tutorial ay i-like and share lang ang ating video. Ako si Kuya Ton, ang inyong guide sa paggamit ng inyong Android phone using Talkback. Magkita-kita po muli tayo sa susunod nating tutorial only here on KTNU.